Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Kelvin Learning Lab summer series. This particular series is Welcome to Launchpad. Our learning objectives for today there are three of them. We want to learn how to log in. I will show you how to navigate the system admin reports, and I will show you how to verify imported data. So let's get started. I'm going to hop in live to our system and show you how to log in. So here I am on a Sharks Google search, but in order to log into Kelvin, I would go to kelvin.education, open up our homepage. Up here is sign in. I'm going to click sign in. And it will show you a little welcome card that says hello and happy Tuesday and sign in with Google. You will be taken into your Kelvin site. I have a lot more sites that I have access to, so I got a list. But for you, it would have been that green sign on with Google, and then you would be taken here to your Launchpad. So I'm going to go up here and kind of give you a quick navigation of your Launchpad. If you click here at any time in the system, that will take you back to Launchpad, which is this page. If you click here, this is your list of pulses. And then we have a toolbox with some resources. Down below here, you'll see some cards. You'll see a create a pulse card. This will automatically create a student pulse. If you'd like to create a staff pulse or a family pulse, you will go up to pulses and create it there. This is just a quick student pulse creation card. If you click here, this is a list of your students. And if you click on this card, that will be a list of requests of students that would like to talk to an adult. Below here are results from previous pulses. If you do not have any pulses that you have results for, you would see a rocket ship and it would be blank, but that's okay because once you give a pulse and you get data, it will show up here. The next thing I'd like to show you is this avatar up here. This is J for my name. And click that, and this is where you go to your settings, or you can sign out. For now, I'm going to my settings. And I can see up here some system admins in the system that will allow you to double check who's a system admin, which is our highest power. And for system admins, we have some reports that are useful to check your data in Kelvin. So if you're new with us or you're brand new to getting in data, you can click on Organization Summary and run that. And you'll be able to see a summary of what your data looks like. So I can see we have 2 schools here, 613 students. I have a staff of 12, and it'll show the breakdown of who is in which role. A section summary, a family member summary. So this is a demo site, so you're not going to see exact numbers here, but this would be what it would look like for you. And I want to show you one more report. If you go back to settings, you can see the browse data. So it says browse data, and here you can look at your school data. You can see student data. And you could also see users, sections, and family members. But I'm going to stop here on students and kind of show you how you would use a report like this. So you might have a student in a class that's complaining that they're not showing up, or they don't see Boogie, or they're not in the system. So you can always go up here and search for a student, make sure that their email's right, make sure that they're there. You can search first names. You can search by schools. You can do multiple searches, as you can see. Now I'm just going to see everyone in a particular school. I can check my numbers and check my students. So that is a really neat way to just kind of pick and choose what you need to look at as far as settings if there are any data issues. And as always, right here, you can click back to the Launchpad and you could start from the beginning. So that is about it for Launchpad. It's really easy to navigate. As you can see, it's really user-friendly. And then any settings that you need live up here in your avatar.